In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp to manage employees and freelancers. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable way to set up a team management system using a ready-made template in ClickUp, so you can keep staff and contractors organized in one place. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp, then click the official ClickUp website that appears in the results. Once you're in, make sure you're working inside the workspace and space where you want your team management system to live. Choosing the correct space matters because it controls who can see and collaborate on what you create. With your space selected, look for the three dots menu next to the space name. This is your quick access to space-level tools and settings. Click those three dots, then hover your cursor over Templates. You'll see options related to templates appear. Go ahead and select Browse Templates. This opens ClickUp's template library, which is the fastest way to spin up a structured process without building everything from scratch. In the template library, use the search bar and type Team Management. This narrows the results to templates designed specifically for organizing teams, tracking roles, and coordinating work. When you see the team management plan, click to open it. You'll get a preview showing how the template is structured, typically with sections for roles, onboarding tasks, and status columns that help you track progress at a glance. This is especially helpful when you're managing both employees and freelancers who may follow slightly different workflows. Click Use Template to start applying it to your space. You'll be prompted to name the new list. Give it a clear, descriptive title, something like Employee and Freelancers, so anyone on your team instantly knows what lives there. Consistent naming is a small step that prevents confusion later when your workspace grows. Once you've named the list, click Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will create the list for you, and within a moment you'll see the structure populate inside your space. From here, you can begin organizing team members, categorizing responsibilities, and tracking work without reinventing the wheel. If you have internal guidelines around access, double-check that the space permissions match who should view or edit this list, especially if freelancers only need limited visibility. That's it. Quick, clean, and ready to use. You've just set up a team management system in ClickUp using a template, giving you a solid foundation to manage employees and freelancers efficiently.